Here we have some string line. You find it all over construction sites. We've chosen it for the rigging on our high altitude balloons because it allows us to have a high tensile strength with a low shear strength, which means that it can take the tugs of the wind well, but if something comes along and needs to clip it, it'll rip off and won't cause a hazard in the air. So today I'm going to show you how to create the ladder that goes up to the balloon itself and attaches to our parachute in our case. It's important to have all lines the same length, that way you don't create yourself a difference in weights or tensions on each of your strings. You want everything spread out evenly, that way it rides well as it distributes the weight well. At the end I like to tie a double knot just to secure the end of my line well. And then you just work it up. And you want to make this about like that. You don't want a long arm length because then you have to reach that far. When this thing's pulling up and you got to reach down to your next one, it's all the way down here before you can get to it. So you want something that's a little bit more comfortable. You want it about that distance. As long as your string's loose, you can take it and put it over your finger and slide it along until you find about where you want it, and then you can drop it in. And as that turns out, that's a really nice distance all the way up and down. If yours isn't exactly perfect, don't worry about it. A little step at the bottom isn't anything to worry about. That just means that you won't have to struggle to get to that last little knot.